Maya-maya pa ibinigay na ni Kuya ang reward ng boys para sa kanilang ginawang task.
Mas minahal pa namin siya dito ko nung nakita namin kung paano siya makisama lahat sa amin dito. Na-realize namin na tao din pala talaga siya. Wala siyang, para sa akin kuya, wala siyang ka-arte-arte.
I'm trying to create a flower, but it's not creating a flower. So, it's the cloud. Charot!
She literally shed some light to us, Kuya, with her wisdom, with her beauty, with her aura, her confidence. I've learned so much from her, Kuya.
Ilang sandali pa.
Oh, I want to cry. It's not because I want to stay. I don't want to stay. I just feel like I really like you guys so much.
Thank you so much.
Sobrang totoo niya pong tao, kuya. Wala siyang takot, kuya, na mag-filter ng kung anong sasabihin niya at nakaka-motivate po na maging authentic lang po talaga.
Extend po.
Very grateful for this experience, Kuya. Maraming salamat, Kuya, sa pagdala niyo po kay Ate Heart dito sa amin. Talagang masayang-masaya po ang puso namin.
Bye. Thank you so much. They tell me that I made them happy. I just want to say that they made me happy so much because sometimes when you're very busy, you get lonely and you need a pause, and they were just such a breath of fresh air.
Yeah. Goodbyes. I love you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We love you.
I truly had a wonderful time, and I just see the difference of people who are so pure compared to people who are not outside in the world, in the real world. And siguro dahil busy din ako minsan, or dahil busy din siguro yung mga ibang mahal ko sa buhay, minsan nalulungkot din po ako sa bahay. And today was my free day, and when they told me to come and I had to work, I did what I did to work, but it felt like a free day, and I felt like I had friends, a lot of friends.
Labis ako nagpapasalamat sa oras na ibinigay mo para sa kanila at naramdaman nila kung gaano kabuti ang isang heart. Kaya naman, maraming salamat, Heart.
Thank you po.
Hanggang sa muli.